Hey folks, Ash from Droning On Live here, and if you enjoy these kind of videos, then do hit that subscribe button below, because guess what? We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, interesting one for you. I've got the Mavic Mini and the Mavic Mini 2 here. And one of the very common questions I keep seeing is, are the batteries compatible between the two? Well, you might be surprised. If I just open up the battery bay on these two drones, so this is the original Mavic Mini. There's the battery for it, okay? I'll now remove the battery from the Mini 2, and let's see if that fits into the original Mavic Mini. No, it doesn't. It's the wrong shape, unfortunately. However, there's something rather interesting here, because the battery for the Mavic Mini, the original, does fit into the Mavic Mini 2. So that means that if you've got a Mavic Mini already and you've got a load of batteries for it, you can still use those batteries in this new drone. Isn't that nice of DJI to provide that backwards compatibility with this brand new drone? Because there will be people out there that have a lot of batteries and they've spent a lot of money investing in buying those batteries for the drone. And it's so frustrating when you actually can't then use those batteries when you upgrade to a newer device. I've just powered up the Mavic Mini 2, and as you can see, it starts up absolutely perfectly. Look at that cool multicolor light on the back of it. And there we go, we've got the light on the front as well. I've got my controller turned on here, and in a few seconds, there you go, it's now linked to the Mavic Mini 2. And if I just do this, ta-da! So it does actually work, and I am so impressed, because I honestly did not think the DJI would provide that backwards compatibility. Now, there is one thing that's very important to note. The battery technology here is different between these two batteries. So if we look very carefully at the first battery, and this writing is just tiny. The original battery, is this black one here, and that is lithium-ion rechargeable battery. The new one actually states lithium-ion polymer. So this is a Li-ion, this one's a LiPo. They are different types of battery. However, the fact that this works between the two batteries in the new Mavic Mini 2 has to be on purpose. DJI have to have done this intentionally, and therefore that means the Mini 2 will support both batteries in theory. But I will do some flight testing over the coming few days to let you know and just confirm for sure. These batteries aren't very different in capacity, but the fact that they are a different chemical makeup does have some factors, especially based on the fact that many people blame the lithium-ion technology on battery voltage fade as to why the original Mini had so many issues with dunking into the sea or just falling out of the sky. So do this with caution if you're going to. I haven't seen anything from DJI officially on these two batteries, but just to conclude, the batteries from the Mavic Mini do fit the DJI Mini 2. Anyway, comment below if you've already tested this. I'd love to hear from you guys. Give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're a dead battery, and hit the subscribe button to help us to 1,000 subscribers. Thanks guys.